one always needs somebody like a Praveen who can literally pull you out of the bed.
Hello everyone, this is Ankita and I have completed 90 days of my base program with Body Pro Coach Fitness. It had been an incredible journey. I have lost almost 18 to 20 kgs of my weight.
Hey guys, warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek and today we are doing simple easy breakfast recipe. So today I'm going to be doing eggs, mushroom, cheese and feta. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So here are the ingredients. I have 2 whole eggs, perfect measurement ideally for a female, so 2 whole eggs here, some chopped coriander, 15 grams of Delecta feta cheese, 30 grams of chopped mushroom and 10 grams of butter. You can also use coconut oil as an option. So here I've taken some butter. To that I'm adding my eggs and mushroom scramble. To this I'm going to add some chopped coriander and leave it for the next 1 minute for it to cook nicely. So now we're going to add our cheese to it and our feta. You can also add some black pepper, green chilies for taste. Now I'm going to flip over one side and my crispy, delicious cheese omelette is ready to be served. So our super healthy and super easy breakfast option is ready. It's a great keto meal which is loaded with good amount of fat, great amount of protein and complete amino acid profile. What you can also do is add a cup of collagen with it into your green tea or a black coffee and makes it a perfect meal.